Welcome to part 2 of our tutorial on how to create a product using the Elite Technique system. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at the General Information tab. We'll go over the different settings available here and explain what each one means so you can set up your product correctly. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to fine-tune your product settings. Let's jump right in. So first off, under General Information, we have the product type. If the product you're creating will be sold or purchased in a recurrent manner, you'll want to select Inventory. If it's a product that is customized and tailored to the client's needs and is a one-time sale, you'll want to select Non-Inventory. It's important to note that once you have used the item in our system as a product for sale, the system will not allow you to go back and change the product type status. So be sure on what you decide. Next, in creating a product is to determine a product category. This is not a mandatory step, but if you're looking to do more detailed reporting in Elite Technique, or with your financial software, we will want to create product categories for each of the products we create. Examples of this would be vinyl, aluminum, wood, or chain link. It could even be broken down into further details such as vinyl posts, vinyl caps, or vinyl sections. Internal reference numbers are custom identifiers that you can add to the system for your own tracking purposes. These are not required by the system, but can be useful for internal organization. Common examples include vendor-provided product numbers, or your company's own product codes or catalog numbers. It's important to note that the system will automatically generate its own unique product number when the product is created. The internal reference number is simply an additional number that you can use to match or link products to your internal systems. This gives you more flexibility when referencing products across different platforms or workflows. Barcodes are not added or available in our system by default. For an additional cost, we can customize your system to have barcode scanning abilities available. Set the sales price only for standalone products. If the product you're creating has variants with different prices, do not set the sales price here. Customer taxes are the state sales tax that you charge your customers. If you answered this question item in our onboarding questionnaire, this feature should be set up in the system accordingly. Please bear in mind that you can modify your state sales tax at any time. Cost is where we can set a cost for our product. Again, this is for standalone products. The cost for a product with variants shouldn't be set here, for each variant can bring a unique price. Now, for unit of measure and purchase unit of measure, it is set in the system by default to units. However, if you sell something that is unique to the fence industry, there are more options available for you to choose from. And that wraps up part 2 of our tutorial on how to create a product using the Elite Technique system. Now you know how to adjust the general settings for your product. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in part 3.